What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the video recording not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the video recording will start working. But if you're still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the camera app icon and then tap on this information icon. Now tap on force stop, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. So when you will tap on this force stop option here, it will OK option here, it will force stop the camera app, and after force stopping the camera app, the video recording issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last option is open settings. Tap on about phone and here tap on update. So when you will tap on this update option here, it will update the phone's software to the latest version if it's not updated, and after updating the phone's software, the video recording issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the video recording not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.